What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use slider in Webflow. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Webflow, and after typing you will see this first official website of Webflow. Just simply click on it, and after clicking you will be redirected to the dashboard of Webflow. But remember guys, if you are new to Webflow, you just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Webflow, you can just directly log in, or you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of Webflow. So as you can see, this is my recent site. I will show you how to use slider in this site. So as you can see, I am in my slide editor, and from here I can edit my site. On the left side, click on this add elements, and after clicking, you have the search bar to search elements. Now here type slider, and as you can see, this is the slider. Simply select it, and from the right side, you can customize your slider by changing its display, like to display it in flex or a block display or a grid display or none. I will select flex display, and from here you can change the direction, like from downstairs or sideways. Like how do you want your slider to be? Like you want it on the left right direction or the upwards and downwards direction, and you can adjust the stretch in the baseline, top, center, bottom, everything. You can even adjust the gap, and you can just change the spacing from here. You can change the width, height, and minimum width, minimum height, maximum width, and maximum height from here. You can choose the overflow, and after clicking on more size option, you will see some more options to customize your size. And from here you can change the position to relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. I will keep relative. And from here you can change the typography. In the typography you can change the font type, the font weight, font size, font color, font alignment, and you can even decorate it. And after clicking on more type options, here are some more options, and you can then change the background, for example a red background or a yellow or a blue background, for example, and then I'll give it some light color blue. And as you can see, I have set my blue color, and after that I can set my border, my radius, my effects, and 2D and 3D transforms. So from here I can just transform it to 20 pixels, 20 to 29 pixels, and from upwards or downwards I can just transform it to 56 pixels, and it is a sideways, so I can just transfer it to 47. So as you can see, I have done my 2D and 3D transforms. Here are the backdrop filters. From here you can choose the filter type, like blur, drop shadow. I will choose drop shadow, and the x-axis drop shadow, the y-axis, and the blur opacity, like more the blur, more the number, the more is the blur. So after that you can change the cursor. I have selected auto. You can select auto or default or any of this, whatever you want. And after that, simply click on publish to publish this site, and to add more slides, click on add slide, so it will add more slides to your site. So this is how you can use slider in Webflow. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.